Majin Ma Corja. Good morning, friends. Bígí Liom joined me, and people always think that Macnav meditation is on Jack or Fad, but it's not. It's actually, héasca. It's very easy. It's as simple as a haon, a do, a three. An acronym for it, and to bring on that feminine energy, it's SHE. But it's really bringing the energy of the she, like as in that spiritual energy, or what we would call the fairies in Ireland. But they're the ancient gods and goddesses that live in the Sídhe, live in the mountains. So the S stands for soothing sound. And so I've trained in mindfulness and in Vedic meditation, but rather than using ancient Sanskrit, I use ancient Irish sounds, because the Irish language and Ghaeilge is actually as old as Sanskrit, the Indian language. So I'm using the soothing sound, and then the H stands for make hames of it, because that's one of the big misconceptions about meditating, is that you close your eyes. Agus how gach ein swinche imiha, and that all your thoughts are gone. Oh my God, Robin has just literally landed inside. That actually perfectly illustrates why we close our eyes, because our visual senses were so distracted, and it's wonderful, but we need to go inward now. Our main sheen is lawn the swinche. It's full of thoughts all the time, and you're never going to get rid of them, and that's grand. And that brings us on to hames. We make a hames of meditation, which is an Hiberno English word, which just means we mess it up, because we'll have the soothing sound, which is kind of, bringing us away from the external and like kind of anchoring us inside, and but our minds will wander, and they will come away from that, and we'll think about that robin, or we'll think about breakfast, or we'll think about what we're going to do today, and our minds will wander, because that's what minds do. So we're going to make a hames of it, so into the meditation, and with an energy of like gra more, big love for yourself, rather than kind of beating yourself up. And then the last part is E, is the emotions. So haon, Ghaeilge is our emotion. So when you come out of meditation, just check in with how you feel, because there will be a shift. So all of the ancient Irish goddesses were shapeshifters. They had the ability to change shape into other forces, birds, and we have the ability to shift as well, and we can, but we don't notice those shifts because we're so busy and we're so distracted. So we can anchor ourselves inside, and then as you're coming out, you just check in, kind of start to, how are you, and kind of start to muck the con, how are your feelings. There'll be a little